Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we can find the value of this math question. Many people can cancel this 7 and this 7 and he can just write 7 divided by 1 which is equals to 7. But trust me, this answer is wrong because we did not follow one of the most important rule which is called PEMDAS. According to the rule of PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal number of priority and we can solve it from left to right. Okay, so now I am going to remove this all wrong method and solve the question by correct method. So here in this question, one multiplication and one division both have equal priority. So first we can solve this division. To solve this part, we follow the rule of KCF, which stand for keep, change, flip. According to the rule of KCF, whenever we change division to multiplication, the numerator is changed to denominator and denominator is changed to numerator, and we can write the given question is here 7 times 7 equals 49, 49 times 7 equals 343. This is the final answer of this math question. If you enjoy this video, then like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.